Today I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and I want to show you how to add remove magnification on this device. Firstly, swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings selection. In it, we look for our usability option right there. And now we tap on our vision, where we have our magnification. When we scroll down there and there by the switch, we can easily turn on it. We can also turn on it and tap there to change our magnification turn on option. Now we have this button, but we can set maybe triple touch too, and there after triple touch we have our magnification on, which position we can easily change using 2 fingers and scrolling. We can also do that and zoom our screen. To turn off it, we press on. We triple touch again on screen, or we tap on our magnification button on the right corner. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.